3 injured and 1 succumbed to injuries in Waterhouse shooting. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A drive-by shooting has left 1 individual dead and 3 others injured yesterday morning in Unity Lane, Waterhouse, St. Andrew. The deceased has been identified as windshield wiper Alton Hafdan. The injured persons are being treated at hospital. The incident happened around 9 o'clock, and the commanding officer for the St. Andrew South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, believed that the shooting was a reprisal for a Saturday stabbing death of Andre Douglas at a football match in the area. Ricketts also said that the police cannot confirm reports of a child being shot during the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.